Stan Gibilisco here. If you've watched my recent videos, you're aware of the refrigerator malfunction that I've been experiencing, which has become an increasing source of fascination to me. I made a video thinking that maybe the microchip had crashed as a result of the power failure that we had, and it somehow spontaneously recovered. No power failure involved there, no reset, nothing that I could ascertain. I thought, but there's an alternative theory, and it's a little bit more elementary. I remember when a few years ago my furnace developed a glitch in which it would not always switch on when the temperature got cool enough for it to switch on. And there was a diagnostic light that you could read, and it always indicated something to the effect that the burners were not lighting, or something like that. And there was no apparent reason for it. I had the technicians come out here from a company called I don't even remember the name. Equipment Service Professionals, one of the best in the business here in the black holes of Dakota Territory, United States of Anomalies. And they took quite a while to diagnose that furnace. It flummoxed them. They couldn't figure out why it was not kicking on until finally they isolated a sticking relay. Apparently, in the mechanism that turns that furnace on, in the thermostat system and circuitry, there is a relay, and that relay was sticking. It wasn't coming on because it was stuck in the off position, sometimes, periodically. And they suggested they could either replace the circuit board or replace the whole furnace with a newer, more efficient model, a 90%er natural gas furnace with a 95%er natural gas furnace. So I opted for the replacement furnace. It's a little more temperamental, but it does in fact function. It hasn't exhibited that particular malfunction yet. So it occurred to me, well, I wonder if there's a relay in that refrigerator, and maybe unrelated to the power failure. Just the fact that the power went off, but it could have been, I could have switched the breaker and had the same thing occur. Maybe that relay got stuck in the on position so that the refrigerator ran continuously. And then for some reason on Thanksgiving Day, the relay unstuck itself, and for the past couple of days has been functioning normally. How long that will last is an open question. The technician who came out here said that I should replace the entire thermostat box since it comes as a module anyway. Hopefully it'll come by UPS in time for the technician appointment. Otherwise, we'll have to put it off. But at least, hopefully until then, the refrigerator will continue to run normally. But a relay is a very primitive form of switching device, as opposed to a microprocessor. And a sticking relay can cause just as much grief as a crashed microprocessor. So another theory that just occurred to me, so that I don't place all the blame in the universe on modern technology. But it seems that if there was a surge sufficient to cause any kind of arc that would damage a relay, that I would have had a lot more damage to a lot more appliances in my house, and there was no such. So it's all a mystery, and we may never know the answer, because the shotgun approach will ultimately prevail. It's under a warranty, a 3-year extended warranty, which I had the foresight to get in 2016. It lasts for another couple of years, another year and a half it lasts. So there's plenty of time to get that thing fixed, but I just thought, maybe that's what it is. But seeing as it's a sealed box, the technician's just going to pull the module and replace the module, and we may never know what caused the problem. Hopefully that will fix the problem. But nowadays, one never knows what is fixed and what's broken. Stan Gibilisco signing off. Until next time, so long.